Hey, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Picked up another Lego. This is Lego 31111. It's called Cyber Drone. It's a 3-in-1. Looks like it builds into 2 flying machines and 1 robot. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, that way you won't miss any of our videos. Check out our playlist called Legos. Please help support this channel if you can. You can send us things to video, leave us a comment, we'll get you an address to send it to. If you'd rather, you can leave a donation. There's links to PayPal and Patreon in the description below. And we'll see you next time.